In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GPT assistance in Clickup. By the end, you'll be confidently using Clickup's built-in AI to speed up planning, writing, and task work right where your projects already live. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the specific list you want to work in. A list is where your related tasks are grouped, so setting this up in the right place ensures the assistant has the proper context for your work. With your list open, look for the AI option in the interface. This is your entry point to all of ClickUp's intelligent tools. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in a view where toolbar options are visible and that you have the necessary permissions on the workspace. Next, select ClickUp Brain. Think of this as the central hub where the assistant lives and where you'll interact with it. From here, choose GPT. This is the model-driven experience that powers natural language understanding and generation. You can pick the specific model that best fits your needs. 5.4 for the most capable, 5.2 or 5.1 for strong balance performance, and 5 mini 4.0 when speed and lower cost are the priority. If you're unsure, start with a balanced option, then adjust based on the complexity of your tasks and how fast you need results. Click into the prompt area to begin your request. This is where clarity pays off. Briefly set the scene with the goal and any key details the assistant should consider, such as the project name, audience, tone, or constraints. The more precise you are, the more accurate and actionable the output will be. Now type exactly what you want GPT to do. You might ask it to draft a task description, summarize a long update, propose subtask checklists, write a status update, or turn rough notes into an action plan. Give it guardrails like desired length, structure, and style. If your request relates to items in this list, mention them by name so the assistant can stay aligned with your current work. When you're ready, click Submit. The assistant will process your prompt and return results directly in the interface. Take a moment to review the output for accuracy and completeness. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt with a specific follow-up instruction and submit again. Small adjustments often yield big improvements. That's it. Open your list, choose AI, go to ClickUp Brain, select GPT, craft a clear prompt, type your request, and submit. With this flow, you've integrated GPT assistance into your ClickUp process and can start saving time immediately.